Hey loves, thanks for tuning in to CYB TV. This is Cherish, and in this video I am going to be showing you guys how I glow up for the holidays. So this is the look that I decided to go with. Sparkly eyes, like a reddish sparkly gold eye with like a nice little plum lip, and yeah, we got those plum tones coming in. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I achieved this look. So first I went on and wand curled my hair and pin curled it. So I'm actually showing you guys how I did that. Super easy. Just rolled my hair around, put that curl up, and then I used the bobby pin to secure it. And I just did the whole head like that. So moving on, starting with the Benefit Browsings, I'm going to do my brows because that is the frame for your face. So you got to get your brows on point, if you know what I'm saying. So I went on and did my brows. I keep them pretty much simple, like the routine and everything. So now I'm going to go in with some concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro HD concealer that I've been using for some years in the color Fawn. And I outline the bottom of my eyebrows and the top. Next, we have this MAC paint pot in Laying Low, and this is what I went back to using for an eyeshadow primer. I mean, I don't really do a lot of eyeshadow looks, but when I do, I like to use this. This is like the best thing to use. I've tried to use other eyeshadow primers or just like concealer, and that doesn't work for me. So I'm using the Morphe palette 35B, and it's the red shade in there. I didn't show you guys the whole palette, like open it up, because all of the eyeshadows are falling out, which is not cute. So I just decided on not opening it. So I'm using the reddish shade in that palette, and I just went on and put that all over my lid. Now I'm using the Sigma eyeshadow in Elise's, and I'm just adding that to the inner corners and the crease and the outer corners. And now I'm just going to blend all of that out. You want to make it seamless. Next, I'm going to be using this Urban Decay glitter eyeliner in the Midnight Cowboy. And I've been having this for some years too, but it's always a good glitter to use. So I just put that all over the lid. And now I'm just using that same red shade from the Morphe palette, and I'm now adding that on top of the lid because I want the sparkles to show subtly versus like obvious. So that's why I put the red on top again. So now I'm just going to use my e.l.f. black eyeliner to wing that eye out. Both of my eyes are going to be super cat eye. Now I'm going to use that glitter eyeliner again, and now I'm just going to make the crease of my eye stand out even more with the glitter. So yeah, we're just going to accent that crease with the glitter. Something like this. So now I'm moving on to the foundation, and I mixed two foundations. I just tried the Santi one for the first time, but I'm mixing the Mary Kay one with it, and that's how I get like the perfect skin tone. And then I'm just using this dollar blending brush that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it works good. Of course, I wet it. So I'm just using that I just kind of smear it on my face too. I don't really dab the whole time. I smear it and then dab. Once I got that settled, I'm going to take some of that first foundation and just kind of carve out that eye so the liner can be nice and cut. Now I'm going to take the Pro Concealer in Fawn and just use that to highlight. So this is more into the highlighting and contouring part, you guys, which I believe you can just completely change your looks and everything with the perfect highlight and contour. So that's what I like to do, is accentuate certain features. So right here, I'm mainly accentuating like those light areas. My nose, even though my nose is pretty small, I just like to make it a little bit more narrower. So now I'm going to go ahead and use this faux banana powder because I only got it for like $1 off of the app Cute, which is powered by Wish. So yeah, so I set that, and now I'm taking that palette that I use for my brows from Benefit and using that shade just to use as a contour for my cheeks. And then, yes, it looks crazy. I just literally do like a line on my cheeks because that's the best way I found for me. So now I'm going to take this blush palette and then I'm going to add the blush right on top of the contouring that I did. And I'm just going to keep blending all of that in until it gets like a nice neutral shade. Now I'm going to take my Carly Bible old school palette that I've been using for some time. I love it, and I'm going to use that to add some highlight on top of the highlight. So as you can see, I'm bringing it down onto the cheeks as well. That makes it look more natural to me. And then I'm going to take the powder and just beat my face. I'm going to blend all of that I just put on together. And then I'm going to take that light shade on that palette and just add a little bit more the light color underneath my eyes just to really brighten that area up. And then I'm going to go back with a little bit of more highlight because I do notice once your makeup sets in, it does start to fade a little bit. So I just always go in with some more once I feel like the makeup starts to set in. And I highlight the nose and all of that. And now I'm just going ahead and adding some color to my lips. This is actually a kit that I got from Target. It came with the liner, the lipstick, and the lip gloss. And I could not find the lip gloss, but I just put the liner and the lipstick. And this is what it looks like. But I have to go ahead and put these eyelashes on because I didn't necessarily forget, but yeah. I went on and did that. I always put my mascara to blend in the eyelashes with my real eyelashes, so that's what I'm doing, top and bottom. And yes, now it's time to take out these pin curls that were falling anyways and just, you know, get my hair together. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just swoop these baby hairs, you guys, just to, you know, my hair is really greasy, really dirty. You know, this is the last style I'm gonna be doing with this U-part wig until I wash it and wash my real hair. So yeah, I'm just trying to make it look presentable. A little hairspray to lay down those flyaways. And you guys, this is pretty much the finished look. So yeah, you guys, this is my glow up holiday look. You know, you saw how I looked before, but this is how you can go from like drab to fab for the holidays. The highlight popping, look at that glow, yes. Cheekbones on point. I love how the eyeshadow came out. Very first time doing this particular look. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys me putting up my hair because, like I said, it's greasy and oily. So this is another style that I decided to try out, which I really end up wearing my hair like this because it's better. And I like how it looks because the hair is so stringy. And voila. So if you guys like how this look turned out and everything, and just enjoyed watching me glow up, then go ahead and press that subscribe button if you haven't already. Press the bell notification, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.